Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best laundry pods is probably one of the most convenient ways to do laundry, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of laundry pods, exploring different brands, comparing their cleaning power, and assessing their value for money. Get ready to discover which laundry pods will revolutionize your laundry routine and leave your clothes fresh and clean. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow 81 Count. Tired of multiple steps for laundry? These Tide Pods offer a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step. It's designed to make your laundry routine easier and more effective. Each pod contains super concentrated detergent, extra odor fighters, and extra stain removers. This innovative design ensures that it tackles various laundry challenges efficiently. This product comes from America's #1 detergent brand, Tide. You can trust its quality and effectiveness for your laundry needs. These pods dissolve completely in any water conditions, ensuring no residue is left behind. It works effectively in all washing machines, providing a hassle-free experience. Whether you have a standard or high-efficiency machine, it is designed to work seamlessly. This versatility makes it a convenient choice for any household. What we like? This detergent offers a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step, thanks to its 3-in-1 formula. It's from America's #1 detergent brand, ensuring quality and reliability. If you're looking for a simple, effective solution for all your laundry needs, you should consider this. What people say. The pods dissolve completely in hot or cold water. The scent is not overpowering and leaves clothes smelling fresh. The pods are easy to use and convenient. Number 4. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Packs, 112 Count. Tired of stubborn stains? These laundry detergent packs are designed to tackle tough stains and odors in just one wash. It's a powerful clean, all-in-one convenient pod. Introducing Tide Pods, pre-measured and packed with stain removers, odor fighters, and color protectors. This all-in-one solution simplifies your laundry routine, making it easier than ever. Say goodbye to unwanted smells. This laundry soap helps clean deep and fights odors, leaving your clothes smelling fresh with the Spring Meadow scent. It's a refreshing clean you can count on. These laundry detergent pods dissolve quickly and activate on stains, even in cold water. This ensures a thorough clean, no matter the water temperature. It's convenient and effective. Get more cleaning power with super concentrated pods. They contain 3x cleaning ingredients per dose compared to the leading bargain liquid detergent. It's a superior clean in every pod. This large tub of Tide Pods is perfect for regular use in high-efficiency and standard machines. It provides great value and ensures you always have a fresh supply on hand. It's laundry made easy. What we like? This product is designed to provide a deep clean, tackling tough stains and odors in a single wash. It features 3x cleaning ingredients, ensuring a powerful clean. If you have a lot of heavily soiled laundry or are dealing with stubborn odors, you should consider this. What people say. The pods dissolve completely in the wash. The scent is fresh and clean. The pods are easy to use. Number 3. Earth Breeze Fresh Scent Laundry Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These innovative sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly solution for your laundry needs. They are designed to make your laundry routine easier and more sustainable. Proudly made in the USA, these sheets are crafted with high-quality ingredients. They are made in a new facility in Kentucky, ensuring top-notch quality and supporting American jobs. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They work in both hot and cold water, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. You can expect up to 60 loads of cleaning power. Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured sheets. They are perfect for home use or travel, eliminating mess and waste. It's easy to use in any washing machine. Enjoy the gentle, fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling clean and crisp. These sheets provide a soft touch and a subtle fragrance after every wash. Your clothes will feel and smell amazing. These sheets are a microplastic-free alternative to traditional detergents. They are dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, gentle on your skin and the planet. For every order, the company donates detergent to those in need. What we like? This detergent comes in eco-friendly sheets, making it a great choice for those who want to reduce their environmental impact. It's also travel-friendly and gentle on the skin. If you are looking for a convenient, eco-conscious option for both home and travel, you should consider this. What people say. The pods dissolve completely in hot or cold water. They are easy to use. The laundry comes out clean and fresh. Number 2. Tide Pods Plus Downy April Fresh 61 CT. Introducing Tide Pods Plus Downy. This innovative product cleans and conditions your clothes in just one step. It helps protect your clothes from stretching and fading. Experience the signature Downy April Fresh scent with every wash. This product leaves your clothes smelling incredibly fresh. The scent will last for days. Tide is America's #1 trusted laundry detergent brand. Consumers trust it for its superior cleaning power. You can rely on it for all your laundry needs. Each Tide Pods is a 4-in-1 solution. It includes detergent, stain remover, brightener, and Downy fabric protect technology. It is designed to make your laundry easier. The new special film dissolves even better in both hot and cold water. This ensures that the product is effective in any water condition. It is convenient and easy to use. What we like. This detergent not only cleans but also conditions your clothes, helping to protect them from stretching and fading. It also offers the signature Downy April Fresh scent for outstanding freshness. If you like your clothes to feel soft and smell amazing, you should consider this. What people say. Dissolves completely in hot or cold water. Easy to use. Convenient to use. Number 1. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent, Spring Meadow Scent, 96 count. Tide Pods are packed with up to 90% active ingredients, ensuring you're paying for cleaning power, not water. This means a more efficient and effective clean with every use. Get ready for the brightest clean yet. This product helps to make your brights even brighter and your whites whiter, giving your clothes a fresh, vibrant look. It combines detergent, stain remover, and color protector in one convenient pod. This all-in-one solution simplifies your laundry routine while providing superior cleaning performance. Whether you're washing in hot or cold water, this product dissolves completely. It's designed for convenience and effectiveness in all types of washing machines. Always handle the pods with dry hands. Simply add the packs to the drum before your clothes. Remember to close the package securely after each use to keep it safe. What we like. This detergent is packed with up to 90% active ingredients, ensuring you get the most cleaning power for your money. It also brightens your whites and colors, keeping your clothes looking their best. If you are looking for a detergent that delivers a powerful clean and keeps your clothes looking vibrant, you should consider this. What people say. Tide Pods never disappoint. They're easy to use, clean clothes thoroughly, and leave everything smelling fresh. The 3-in-1 formula works great for removing stains, brightening fabrics, and keeping whites looking clean without extra effort. They dissolve completely in both hot and cold water and work well in my high-efficiency machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.